Hi there, this is Jay Poole here, and I thought I'd come back to this thread and just report back on my findings after installing the sales graphics on my site. I'm actually just looking at the effects of Sundays and the fact that people seem to have far more time to dwell on pages on a Sunday. But anyway, to the actual demonstration of what I wanted to show you. I'm going to look at first the week of the 2nd of July until the 8th of July. Now I picked up the sales graphics on the Thursday or Friday. I think Thursday I left a message on the thread, but it was the weekend. It was Sunday that I was actually changing my pages and putting quite a lot of graphics throughout the landing page that I picked. So I'll have a look at this, the week leading up to it. So this is the week that the graphics aren't on the page. It was same content. There was some images and pictures in there, and there was a lot of text, but no real sales graphics to sweeten it up. So during this week, I had just short of 300 visitors, and people were looking at 2.5 on average pages each visit, and the average visitor duration was 1 minute 29 seconds, and a bounce rate of 71.28%. So if I actually went into this in a bit more depth, I'd show you that my referred traffic, I get a lot better bounce rate. The bounce rate is down in the sort of 25-30% mark, and the pages per visit is a lot higher. But the majority of these are from search traffic, so it's a good indication if someone's landed on the page from Google and they're not really knowing what they're going to find. See how long they stay and are they engaged. So this is the important thing: 1.5 minutes, 71% bounce, and 2.5 pages. So now we go on to the following week. So that would have been the 9th until the 15th. So that's the full week again. I apply that. So I had a few more visitors this last week, although that's not important because the sales graphics wouldn't have made any difference to that. The really key things here are that the page visits have gone up from 2.5 pages up to 5.1 pages per visit. So people are engaged, and they're actually staying obviously longer, 4 minutes 42 seconds, which is up from the 1.5 minutes, and the bounce rate has dropped from 71% down to 60. So it's basically shown me that this has had a big effect on people's interest and desire to stay longer on the page. So I thought a lot of WSO's threads, you see people leaving a referral and then never coming back again to sort of give any facts, and I thought I would come back and just show you what's happened with mine. Okay.